Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sashoni. I literally just got home. This is not a planned video. I just came home, someone rang my doorbell. When I looked, it was a delivery woman with a big box. So I was thinking like, I did not order anything that would come in such a big box. Then I saw my name on it and it was my friend that lives in Jamaica. She sent me a surprise box of things. I guess it's food. I'm not sure what it is. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to record it so she can also see my reaction to whatever it is that she sent me. Because I don't know what it is and I wasn't even aware that she was sending me some stuff. So Christina, thank you very much. This is the box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Jamaica. I see crackers. The box is open. This is water crackers. Let's see. Bun. I love bun. This is actually my favorite type of bun. This company, HTV. Porridge. You know, I have not seen any cornmeal in Japan. I don't know if there's any, but I haven't seen any at the supermarket. So oh my, this is okay. Another porridge, green banana porridge. This one is oatmeal porridge. Miss Birdie crackers. So I can eat crackers with my tea. Especially this, like I love to crackers with Milo tea. Anyways, sanitary napkin, cheese strip. Alright, so I love this. Oh, Tigers. This, I also love this. Another one. Milo. So I can make Milo tea with crackers. Because sometimes I don't feel for like heavy food, so I'll just drink like a cup of tea. So now I can actually make Milo and drink and eat crackers with it. Alright, so I love Lasco. I don't know if you know Lasco, but this is a company in Jamaica and they have different flavors. So this is creamy malt. My favorite is vanilla, but I love mixing Lasco with Milo because it actually tastes really good. Or even Lasco with tea bag like Tetley or Lipton. Ginger. Last week I was sick, so this will definitely come in handy. Okay. Alright. Cheese. I'm so excited. I love cheese. Especially, let me tell you, see, like nothing can compare to Jamaican food or Jamaican stuff. Like, OMG. I love cheese and I love bun, and I love bun and cheese together. So, oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright, so sardine. I usually make sardine with egg. Like mash the sardine in the egg and make a sandwich with it. This is, oh, it's dusty. This is to make soup. So you put it in the pot to season up your soup. Let's see what else. Another pot. And this fish tea. This, I've never used this flavor before, but I am going to use the make fish soup. Alright, so these are, I don't know what they are. They're in this black bag. This is the final one. OMG, you know, literally I was just thinking like a couple weeks ago I wanted to buy Ensure because I don't really eat that much, so sometimes I would want to probably drink like an Ensure to substitute for a meal, and I can't find any in Japan, and on Amazon they are super expensive, so I'm not gonna buy something where I can get it for $32 for the case. Anyways, so I also love Suppligen. I got Suppligen. So oh my god, these are actually things that I use and that I love when I was in Jamaica. That's it, guys. I just wanna say that I'm happy because I was feeling a bit down because I moved here for 4 months and I actually miss Jamaican products. I miss Jamaica, but I'm not a quitter, so I'm not gonna pack up and go my yard. But yeah, so this actually, I feel so happy, and this is gonna remind me of Jamaica. So thank you, Christina. Alright, thank you, Christina, for sending me this surprise package. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.